welcome to Fangirl Stories. So today I'm with a new recommendation of book, and that is in Kindle format, and that is Love Life Sex by Manoj Shetty. I hope it's visible. I'll provide the cover on the screen. Okay, so just first let's talk about something like love. Do love really exist? Like those, happily ever after is not a fairy tale, right? That's a choice. Or like, I don't know, many of you would believe over that, or some will deny for that fact. So the story is about Manoj and his girlfriend. The story starts in two junctions where Manoj is, locked in his room by his parents for falling his love, and that wasn't less than a cage. Like, just for falling for a girl. Like, so much of Indian society, typical Indian society, the scene has been portrayed out there. So it started in two junctions where Manoj is locked in his room and locked with only some pieces of paper and pen that makes him to scribble his tale over those papers. So he starts from the past, and the storyline is divided into four phases, from his infancy to his now present college days. So it starts from the infancy when he was a stepchild for his father. So that wasn't his infancy was not so like good. Then although he was from starting only, he was a very scholar. From his brothers and sisters, he was the one who was best in studies in his home, so he was always privileged for that particular thing. Then he just grew up, and now he's in college, 11th standard, and there he falls for a girl named Sonam. So the storyline has many twists and turns, like so many, and there were so many obstacles between their love stories and so much this and that. So after all, the thing which decides was that is something that their love will succeed, like they're gonna marry each other or not, or they're gonna stuck between caste, society, as Manoj was of lower caste. So there were many obstacles coming in their way for casteism, society, typical societies, and eggs of Sonam and all such things. So there were many obstacles. So in spite of that, what the results come, what is the final outcome of that story. So I won't disclose that because I don't want to be the spoiler for you all. So just have a look for that novel, so that you will get to know that what was the ending of the story. And if I talk about like my insights over that story, talk about the literature. So the wordings were not so very decorative, but was perfect for greenhorns. And if I talk about the essential writing, so that was very good. The storyline and characters were well developed and described too, and there was a realistic touch to that storyline. So that was a very good point of that novel. And what I liked the most about the novel, or the how the author portrays the wordings in novel, was that he had portrayed some beautiful wordings and realistic points. That blend just came out to be very pure and very good. The characters ponder to the array of hope, trust, love, and so many things like heartbreaks and all. So that was a very good point. And if I talk about some very basic points about the novel, so I would like to recall some points. That author beautifully portrays the difference between attraction and love, possession, something about feelings, attraction. There was a brief description about those things, those little things which actually matters, and which was beautifully portrayed in that novel. The second was the author had portrays so much of realistic things like casteism, which is like really a big matter in India. So as the story was of Orissa, that was a perfect blend where he had shown how marriages and all those things are reluctant, and by just caste, and caste is a very big obstacle in many things. Like he had took the point for reservations and many more things, which was really interesting. And the fact points and the author has portrays a very good, importance of self-love, that love really can't exist until you start loving yourself, until you give importance to yourself, you love yourself, you can't love the person who is in front of you. So the self-love importance was very beautifully portrayed there. And the best part about that novel was one thing, that it was very relatable with today's generation, like that data packs importance, and that those late night chats with your boyfriend, girlfriend, that axe issues, and so many things were like very relatable. So all in all, the book was good enough, so you should give a try for that book. And if you really love reading love stories, that drama, so you can go for it. I'll recommend this book for new generation readers who really love to read love stories and all. So that was the video, and if you love my videos, please turn the grey thumb into blue and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and just hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I'll be on. Thank you so much. Much love.